What if I told you that you could make 3-ingredient pancakes with 3 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen? These are made in the blender and use just 3 simple ingredients that don't include eggs, no oil, no flour, 100% plant-based. They're delicious and good for you. And today I'm going to show you my 3-ingredient easy pancake recipe so you can get in and out of the kitchen and have a delicious, energizing breakfast in no time as well. Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants, and if you're new here, I like to make whole food, plant-based living easy and delicious. Before we dive into the blender today, I've put together something special for you in the description box below. And if you want to simplify your entire week, not just your breakfast, then grab my free 7-day meal plan and join the community newsletter, which is the best way to get all of these recipes direct to your inbox. Most pancake recipes will actually leave you feeling very sluggish because they use a lot of refined flour. But this one today is just 3 ingredients, and it's using the power of bananas and oats to give you lots of energy and make you feel great. So this is just one of the 3-ingredient recipes in my 3-ingredient cookbook, because cooking should be stress-free and easy, and it should taste good. So let's pop all this into a blender and get this batter going. We've got a very ripe banana in here, and you can actually use frozen banana. If you buy a batch of bananas and you get them on sale, then just peel them, maybe break them into halves and then put them in the freezer. You can then blend them up to make a banana ice cream substitute, or you can use them in this delicious pancake mixture. So I've got 1 banana. I'm adding in half a cup of oats and half a cup of plant-based milk of your choice. I'm using soy milk. And then just give this a blend up. And the batter's ready to cook up. Because I want to make these pancakes oil-free, and I've only got a pan that plugs in and it's not the best non-stick pan that I have, I just want to show you a quick tip or a trick that you can use if you have a pan that you want to make pancakes in, or you don't want something to stick. Then just use a sheet of parchment paper and just keep the heat on a low to medium heat, not ultra high. And of course, if you have a gas cooker and there's flames around, it's probably not the best idea to use this, but I just wanted to show you that this is an option for oil-free cooking. So I'm just going to pour about 1/4 of a cup of this mixture into the pan, and then just cook it for a minute or 2 until the bubbles form on top, and then we're going to flip it over. And then just cook the rest of this batter. You'll get about 3 or 4 of these. So while I wait for the rest of these to cook up, I've started eating my first pancake. I couldn't wait. They're just so fluffy and easy to make, naturally sweetened, so delicious. Also great if you add a little bit of cinnamon or a little bit of vanilla for a little bit of extra flavor, but just on their own, they are amazing. So if you like this recipe, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to grab your free 7-day meal plan down below and start cooking easy meals for yourself, because healthy eating should be easy. Don't make it stressful. This should be fun and tasty and good for you. See you for the next recipe. Bye for now. So good.